Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you install the Verizon app on Roku TV. So here's a step-by-step guide for your channel install, sign in, and activation. If you want Verizon kiosk on a Roku TV, follow the below steps. Step 1. Connect a Verizon kiosk set-top box. Connect the kiosk TV box to your Roku TV using an HDMI cable. Turn on both the devices. Press home on your Roku remote. Select the HDMI input connected to the kiosk box. Use a Verizon remote to watch TV. Step 2. Use network app. Many TV networks have Roku apps such as ESPN, Fox, or TNT that lets you sign in with your Verizon Kiosk TV subscription to watch live TV and on-demand content. Availability depends on the network and your subscription. Step 3. Use a supported streaming device like Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Verizon Stream TV. If you can't find the Verizon app, search the Roku Channel Store. It won't appear because Verizon has not released an official Roku version. Make sure your Roku software is up to date. If you are following an online guide that claims you can install the Verizon app directly on Roku, it's likely referring to an unofficial workarounds or outdated information. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.